This is actually a Wix website. So now we are on the trial mode. So if you want to buy a domain, then we can remove the squarespace.com. So here is the option that we can buy a domain. So Wix actually also a domain provider. So if you want, you can buy domain from there. Also, you can buy domain from third party. So it's up to you, and you can see it's actually they are suggesting from based on our name of this website. So now let's go to settings and check what happened. So now you can see this website also in the private mode. So if you want to make this website active, you need to select any plan from here. So this is actually their subscription basis. So you can see annually and monthly subscription they have. So if you use annually, you can save 30%, and you can see you have to pay 192. It's actually estimate total for 1 year. But if you go back from here and select for monthly basis, you can see monthly and select here, you can see you need to pay only $23. So then your website will be the publish, and anyone can visit with your website with that short domain that you already have connected with Wix. And another things that I want to show you, which is if I go back to this website settings, so I need to find the website. So no, like if you have the multiple website and you want to move your domain from this domain to another website, you can also do that. And you can also do that only for if you have a premium package. Okay, so if I go on the website and like let's see how you can move your domain. Okay, so here you can see the multiple domain are here, and I already have connected one domain. And if I click on the three dot and also click on the domains here, then you will be see a option to move domain. Okay, so you can see if I go on the settings now, and if I go on the use my domain or just select that domain, then if I use you can see move domain option are here, and you can see there is no eligible site to move a domain on this site right now. But if you have the premium domain, we can do that. So that's it.